A very good morning to all of you. Today I'm going to talk about midpoint method for solving initial value problem of the first order differential equation using spreadsheet menu of Casio FX 570EX classic calculator as shown here. This is a spreadsheet menu. Consider an initial value problem of the first order differential equations y prime or the dy dx equal to the function of x and y given the initial conditions. Mean this is when x equal to x naught, y equal to y naught, or y bracket x naught equal to y naught. Okay, the x is from the interval x naught with increment of step side h until the last value of xn. The solution of the first order differential equation 1 by midpoint method is given by yi plus 1 equal to yi plus k2. Okay, it means given the initial value when x naught, y equal to y naught. Okay, we have the y naught plus k2. Then we can get y number 1. So with y number 1 plus k2, you get y2, and so on. That's why we have the formula yi plus 1 equal to yi plus k2, where the k2, in order to understand k2, you have to find k1 first, which is k1 equal to step side h multiply the function f. It is actually the right hand side of the function y prime. So the k2 is step side h multiply the same function f. However, x here become x plus h over 2, y become y plus k1 over 2. Or implicitly, you can write yi plus 1 equal to yi h. Okay, this is actually k2. Obtain from here. Okay, for example, solve the initial value problem y prime equal to x squared times 1 minus 3y, y bracket 0 equal to 1, mean that x equal to 0, y equal to 1, where the x from 0 with the step side h 0.1 until the last value of x is 0.5. So we have this is actually when the y naught equal to 1. This is the x naught. This is the x number 5. So we are going to solve this initial value problem using midpoint method in the spreadsheet menu. Okay, so we are going to tabulate the x value and fill in the y naughts in the spreadsheet. Okay, so this is a Casio classic or FX570EX. Okay, we have a several menu. Menu number 8 is a spreadsheet. Just equal it. So the Casio Classic offer a similar spreadsheet, with the Excel. However, it has limited column up to 5 columns. So A, B, C, D, E with 45 rows. So we are going to input the tabulate the x value in first column and the y in column B, K1, column C, D will be K2. So put in the x value 0, increment y1, so y2, y3, y4, y5. Okay, and given that x0, y is 1. So fill in the B cell B1 with 1. Okay, then we're going to calculate the K1. So K1 will be the H multiply the function fxy is actually the x squared times 1 minus 3y. So it will be h is 0.1. So the fxy is actually the xi squared times 1 minus 3y into the spreadsheet. So we put in k1 when x equal to 0, y equal to 1 in the cell C1. So alpha equal, okay, alpha here, alpha equal, and then 0.1 x squared. X is stored in cell, okay, A1, Y, B1. So when, okay, at row 1, so it'll be alpha squared 0.1, x is A1, alpha A1, multiply 1 minus 3, y in the first row is B1, so alpha B1. So you can go up to check the formula. This is 0.1. Oh, we have a mistake. This one, x squared. Here I just key in x only. So to edit the formula, options. Number 3, edit cell. Squared. So 0.1 x squared times 1 minus 3y. Y is in B1. Okay, this is exactly how you key in the formula in the Excel spreadsheets. Okay, then later on we key, okay, you notice that the K2 is actually H, where the X become X plus H over 2, means 0.1 divided by 2 will become X plus 0.05 squared. So y become y plus k1 over 2, where the k1 is stored in cell C1. Here, I'll show you. If you would like to copy the formula from C1 to D1, okay, I'll show you how we copy the formula first. Go down, copy paste, and move to the D1 to copy the formula from K1 to D1. Okay, you paste it, and you AC. Okay, you notice previously we key in the x1, the k1 formula, x is actually a1, y is in b1. When we copy the formula from k1 to k2, which is stored in cell d1, okay, previously, okay, this one we key in this 0.1 A1 squared 1 minus 3 B1. Okay, when we copy the formula, because of the relative column ability in the spreadsheets, constant will remain constant. A1, when you copy, will become B1 squared. B1 will become C1. If we copy it down to the next row, A1 become A2, B1 become B2. This is what we call relative row ability in spreadsheet. We copy the next column, A1 become B1, B1 become C1. However, what we want, when we copy X, remain X, Y, remain Y. Hence, we have to fix the column X, which is stored in A1. When I copy, I want it to remain become A1. Then B1 to remain become B1. I'm just going to add in this one, H over 2, which is 0.05. And then I add in K1 divided by 2, where the K1 is stored in the cell C1. Okay, to do that, this one I delete it here. I can delete the formula first. So Right, key in against the K1 formula, alpha equal F.1. Okay, I want to fix the formula at column A1. When I copy it to the next column, remain as column A. So that, go to options, here, the dollar, number 1. A1 squared. This is a fix the column A. So when I copy it, will remain as column A. So 1 minus 3, and options here, alpha B1. So this is 0.1, x squared times 1 minus 3y. So equal. Okay, so you have the dollar here. Then now I'm going to copy the formula for K1 to cell D1 options. Go down, number 2, copy and paste. You paste it. AC. Now you see. When I copy it with the dollar, mean fixed column. So the formula copied from column C1 to D1. Okay, you see. Fixed dollar A1 squared dollar B1 remain there. Okay, now so we already have here formula from K1 copied to K2. Now we just need to add in here plus 0.05. Okay, so to do that, I'm in cell D1. I go to options, edit the cell. Make sure here, you see that I have a bracket. So I open the bracket. So mean my A1 is at x1, x naught plus 0.05. Close the bracket. So this will be your x naught plus 0.05, which is h over 2. And then you square it. So become x naught plus h over 2 squared. So open the bracket before the dollar. So this will be y plus k1 over 2, where the k1 is stored in cell C1. So alpha C1 divide 2. Okay, close one more bracket. I'll say 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Correct. Check the solution here. Okay, now we have key in. So 45 rows. Key in the K1 formula, K2 formula. Input this is when x0, y is 1. So we are going to calculate with y0, we are going to calculate the y1. Okay, where the formula is exactly y1 equal to y0 plus k2. Okay, so alpha equal y0 is in B1. So alpha B1, K2 D1, alpha D1 equal. You get it. Okay, and then if you do using the normal calculate menu, you have to calculate K1, K2, Y1, recalculate again K1, K2 for when x is 0.1 and repeat until x equal to 0.5. Using the spreadsheet escape menu, we can copy and paste the previous formula, then we can get the solution quickly. So with this case, I'm going to copy the formula from K1 to paste it until, formula for y number 1, paste it down until y2, y3, y4, y5. So to copy, click options, go down, number 2, okay, go down to paste the formula, equal, go down, x.4, paste, x equal to 0.5, paste it. Okay. And then you need to copy the formula for K1. Again, you clear this AC first. Then I'm going to copy the formula from K1. Options. Go down. Number 2. Okay, go down. Paste it. Go down. Paste it. Go down. Paste it. Go down. Paste it. Now, because y number 5 depend on y number 4 and k1, k2 up to x equal to 0.4. Okay, then copy the formula. Lastly, copy the formula for k2. Okay, options. Go down. Number 2. Okay, go down. Equal. Equal. Go down. Equal. Go down. Equal. Then clear. Then you can check the solution that we obtained. This is using the normal calculate menu with this one. Okay, go down. The last one. Okay, here show 922, 9591, because this is a formula to get, let's say for example 4 decimal place. You just need to think shift menu, go down, number 4, number 2, show cell, number 2, show value, and you see. I1 0.9995, Y2 0.9950, Y number 3 0.9827, Delhi 9591 9221. Running 2 digit because the spreadsheet menu is actually take up all decimal place, but this is calculate using the normal calculate menu where we round it to 4 decimal place. Okay, we'll revise back what we have done. And if previously you have a previous solution, you may press the menu 8 to get the spreadsheet menu. Options, go down number 3 to clear all the previous data. Then key in the x value in column A, the y nodes in B1. You calculate the K1 in cell C1. Okay. Okay, here is show value. You want to show the formula. Shift menu. Number 4, spreadsheet. Number 2, show cell, show formula. Let's see. So you calculate the C1 formula. This is a h. This is the function. This one is the function fxy. Okay. Here what I want to mention is actually what we use the dollar here. To get the dollar options. Option. And we have to equal first and then option here. The dollar here is actually to fix the column A, column B, so that we copy to the next column, the formula remain in cell A1, cell B1. And then copy formula from cell C1, paste it to D1. So notice they still have the same formula. And then we added formula in cell D1, which is K2. Okay, this becomes x plus h over 2 squared. And then B1 will become, okay, if I look back, So formula options, edit cell, then you can see the formula. Okay. Rule number 5 depends on so y plus k1. K1 in row 5 is a C5 divide 2. Then calculate the y1 is actually y0 plus the k2. Copy the formula of the y1 by pressing option, go down number 2, then go down this space for get y number 2, y number 3, y number 4, y number 5. Here the space there. And again repeat to C1 to copy the formula for K1 using option, go down to space to get the K1 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time until row number 5. And repeat to copy the cell D1 which is K2. This is copy and paste it 1 time, 2 time, 3 times, 4 times clear. That's how to get a complete solution here. With this, thank you for your attention.